to say that you are a dedicated fan of this piece?
Just a little bit. I'm going to use the word stan as well, because I do get a little bit manic with it, because I love it so much. But that's normal, right?
That's the way to be. I mean, as your wonderful...
that we have in the industry and witnessed in this film, and we filmed it in just outside of London. So we're on home turf here.
This is a beautiful return to source. Now, my final question before I let you go in and enjoy.
I feel like I understand the magic, but still, it's just, you know, it's an honour of a lifetime, especially to come back with a sequel like this and to sort of have more perspective on the fact that it's you know, cinema history, isn't it?
No, it truly is, and you are part of it, doesn't it?
Completely, and I think his cockiness and his sort of machismo was a defence mechanism, as it's